Hello, this is Robin. I'm a tax attorney, and we're going to go over the CP91 notice letter from the IRS, understanding it, and how to respond to it. You're going to get this letter 30 days before the IRS starts levying your Social Security benefits. The reasons for getting a CP91 issued to you are you owe money, you didn't do anything to resolve it, and the IRS now has to issue this before they actually start taking money from your Social Security. What happens if you miss the 30-day deadline outlined in the CP91 notice? Well, the IRS sounds out a garnishment for 15% of your Social Security benefits. How can you avoid a levy on your Social Security benefits after a CP91 notice is issued? You need to put your case into a status that resolves it. Offer and compromise being the most popular one, currently not collectible status, and payment plans are also pretty popular choices. Here's a note on offer and compromise if you're planning on submitting that. Make sure that you call in and let the IRS know, the collections area, that you are submitting the offer and compromise if you've already gotten a CP91 letter, and ask them for a hold on collection activity while your offer and compromise is processing. And the reason for this is, if you just submit the offer and compromise out and you do not let them know, it's possible their collection system will send the garnishment before offer and compromise actually starts processing your offer, which stops collection activity from taking place. So it's a better idea, rather than just wait and see, to actually call in and let collections know that you have submitted an offer and compromise. And most of the time, they're just going to give you some time on the account so everything processes smoothly. Do you got a question about your CP91 notice? Go ahead and post a question below and one of our expert tax attorneys will answer. If you are doing your case on your own, check out our free tax help guide at trp.tax/taxhelp, and we'll also have that link below. If you'd like an expert tax attorney to do your case for you, you can call us at 888-515-4TAX, that's 888-515-4829, or go to trp.tax/start to schedule your confidential consultation. Thanks for watching and have a great week.